So on this tutorial now, I want to teach us how to design a simple business flyer on CorelDRAW. So without wasting our time, let us delve in properly to the business. So this is our CorelDRAW interface. So the first thing we need to do is to know our size. The size we are using for this flyer is 10 by 12 inches. So the next step now is to double click on this to create the border, then Ctrl I to import our background. So we are using these two backgrounds for the flyer. So this is the first background we are using. Come here to effect, click on blur, then Gaussian blur, increase the radius, increase it. So I think this is okay. Then power click this background inside the border we created. So I think this is good now. Alright, so this is good. So the next one now is to come here, is to manipulate this background, this particular background. You need to come here, click on it, click on this place, that is transparency, then click to convert to bitmap. Come here also, click on this. You are still on transparent, convert to bitmap. Come here also, click convert to bitmap. Then come here to convert to bitmap. After we are done like that, with that, we can come here to the screen and click on screen. Click on screen. Click on screen. So then we can click this one inside the background. So I think we are done with that. So the next thing now is to type the business name. The business name now is B and T. The business name now is B and what? B and T. B and T. B and T Beauty Empire. So we're going to use Venus fonts. Change the size to white, change the color to white. It may Empire and Beauty Empire. Alright, so this is it. So autograph, change the fonts to autograph. No, this is not this one, autography rather. So change the size to white also. Now, so this B and T, we want to power click another background inside of this. Click on Ctrl I, then click on this background. Click on this background. Power click this background inside that B and T. Inside the B and T. Power click. Okay. That one is done. That one is done. You can create a shadow. Let's create our shadow. Paste our shadow. Okay. Good. So then this Beauty Empire. So you can increase the size of the business name. So that is so the next step now is to list the services. Our services. Change the font to Montserrat. What? Then services are services. So now how to do. Alright, so that one is good now. So what next now is our pictures. I have the pictures we want to use already here, so we are going to arrange the pictures on this side. So these are the pictures. So first thing now is to complete the background, complete the border, give it white. Alright, so we can give our background, we can give this one label. So now we are going to click all this picture inside the background that we did. Click on edit to enlarge the pictures. So make sure you get a good quality picture. Enlarge it. That's all for the pictures. So the next thing now, we are done with the arrangement of our services to pictures. Then the next thing now is to include the number. So the number now is 6. So this is, so we need to write contact us here. Contact us. So this is our contact icon. You can get your contact icon online. Get us online. So I'm going to click this background also. Inside that contact us. Inside the contact us details. I'm going to click. Okay. So now the next thing now is to input our address. Address. This is the address icon. We are going to click this background also inside the address icon. Okay, so put this down here, change it. So type your address. That's the address. So that is a simple business flyer. So we want to align that everything will be aligned. So guys, so that's how to design a simple business flyer. So we are going to import now. We want to import our flyer. Control E. Let's save it under the tutorial video. B and T flyer design. Alright, so guys, this is what we just designed. So this is our flyer. Our flyer is done, a simple business flyer. So please, thank you for staying with us. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop a new video, then you will be notified. Thank you for your time. God bless you. See you next time.